How to fill out CMS Form 485, Getting Professional Healthcare at Home. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to stay tuned. The patient's attending physician has to complete CMS Form 485 to ask for medical treatment to be given in a patient's home rather than in a healthcare facility. By filling out CMS Form 485, the physician prescribes relevant healthcare services covered by Medicare home health benefits. Certain data must be included on the form, like claim number, care period, patient identification, allergies, and other important details. Finally, the attending physician must certify the CMS Form 485 by providing a signature and dating the document. If you work with PDF documents on a regular basis, click the link in the description and try PDF Filler for a period of 30 days absolutely for free. Use PDF Filler to modify your document's content, type or erase text, highlight important information, black out sensitive data, add sticky notes, images, and so on. In addition to editing PDFs online, you can print out a completed document or save it to your device as a PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or JPEG file. Send it via email, fax, SMS, or USPS. Host your document online, share it via direct link, or send your PDF for signature to one or several recipients. Hurry up to get your free 30-day trial that you can cancel anytime with no obligations. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments section if you have any questions.